After weeks of chatter, DJI has finally introduced its latest pocket-sized gimbal camera, the Osmo Pocket 4. The new model builds on the familiar formula of DJI's long-running handheld gimbal series. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is a newly upgraded 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with an f/2.0 aperture. It also supports a 10-bit D-Log color mode. The camera now supports 4K slow-motion recording at up to 240 frames per second. DJI is adding spatial audio recording along with zoom audio pickup. Supports subject tracking at up to 4x zoom. Includes 107 GB of built-in internal storage and supports USB 3.1. Adds 2 new physical buttons under the 2-inch rotatable touchscreen for zoom and custom presets, along with a 5D joystick that supports variable speed gimbal pans. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 features a 1,545 mAh battery, providing approximately 240 minutes of operating time when recording at 1080p/24 fps. The Pocket 4 will start at $499. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.